Take a ride in the 2024 Prius Prime. The Toyota Prius Prime offers you all the efficiencies that you've come to expect from an electric hybrid vehicle. A comfortable ride, solid handling, and a plethora of technology features are all items you'll experience when you get behind the wheel of the Prius Prime. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.